example 6 asks us to form a quadratic equation with integral coefficients such that its roots are 4/3 and -7. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to set up an equation for our roots individually, and then we're going to use that to build our quadratic. So it's kind of, this is like reverse factoring. So we start off, we've got x equals 4/3, and we have x equals -7. Well, the goal now is that what we want to do is we want to set up something that looks like this. Ax plus b, it could be minus b as well, equals 0. That's what we want, because then we're going to use these factors, this part, to create the bigger quadratic. So for each side, what I want to do is I want to move everything over to one side. So for here on the left, I'm going to get x minus 4/3 equals 0. And on the right side, I'm going to get x plus 7 equals 0. This side is ready to go. It's in the form that I want. This side just needs a little bit of work, and it's pretty easy to do. What you'd like to do is look at this fraction, or if you have a fraction at all, you just want to kind of imagine kind of just inflating that particular equation to where you don't have fractions anymore. So long as we multiply the left and right side by the same amount, it doesn't matter what that number is, it'll still be true. So instead of thinking of this as x minus 4/3 equals 0, we could think of this like by multiplying everything by 3, which is this denominator right here. So this could be called 3x. And instead of minus 4/3, we can call that minus 4. And the 0 times 3 still ends up being 0. So these two they have the same solution. One's just kind of inflated. And then this one is x plus 7 equals 0. So now we have the forms that we want. So we're going to put these together and we're going to FOIL. So I'm going to say, okay, well, 3x minus 4 times x plus 7, that equals 0. And now what I want to do is I want to FOIL. So foiling works, we start off with our first terms. So we get 3x times x, so we get 3x squared. We then have our outside terms, which is going to be 7 times 3x, which is plus 21x. We then have the inside terms, which is going to be negative 4 times x. And we have our outside terms, which is going to be negative 4 times 7, which is minus 28. And that equals 0. And so just to simplify that, you're going to end up with 3x squared. Terms in the middle will add to make a positive 17x. We'll have a minus 28 equals 0. So this is a quadratic equation that has roots of 4/3 and -7. We don't have any fractions or anything, so this would be a perfect final answer for you.